Hello intermediate saxes. So we're going to be working on our Babethandaza project. So before we start learning it on our instrument, it's really important that you first have a look at the singing video to really get to know the song first before learning it on your saxophone. So assuming that you've done that and that you've got your music, your saxophone part for it, get that up and ready. So if you can tune before we start this, just refer to the other video that we've done previously. So let's start by having a look at section 1. I've got it on my screen here. So what we have to remember, let's look at the key signature. So we have 4 sharps here. We've got F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp, okay? So it's really important that we remember those. So section 1, we come in on the upbeat. So ba 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 ba. So as you can see, there's 2 notes at the start on the word sin. So you have the option, if you know how to play your bottom B, then play that. So it goes sin J J J. Or if you find that you aren't as comfortable playing that, then you can play the octave above, the B for that. But if you're trying to play that bottom B, really sit up straight, think of an R sound, try and get, like, open up the neck and the voice, and that will help you reach it. So it will be B, E, 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 F sharp, D sharp, E. So really watch out for that F sharp, D sharp and E. This is how that will sound. Okay, and that second bit then repeats. So it goes, the same thing happens again. B, E, 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 F sharp, D sharp, E. So that's the first part, that's the call, in a way. And then we have the next bit, and we're starting on a G sharp. So it'll be like this. So we've got 3 G sharps. I'm just going to call them Geesh. Geesh, 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 A, fish, Geesh, E, 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 fish, Deesh, E. So we've got the notes Geesh, 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 A, fish, Geesh, then E, 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 fish, Deesh, E. Okay, so really just get used to playing those accidentals. So those are the sharps. Really watch out for those sharps, okay? If you need to make any markings above the notes, like a reminder of the sharp symbol, make sure you do that. And then that repeats. So, Geesh, 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 A, fish, Geesh, E, 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 fish, Deesh, E. Geesh, 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 A, fish, Geesh, E, 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 fish, Deesh, E. And this is how it would sound on your instrument. Okay, let's see what that sounds like all together, playing the whole thing of section 1. This is what it should sound like. Okay, let's have a look at section 2 now. So in this section, we're just going to play the response. So there'll be a call, which we're waiting for in those beats rest, and then we have the response. So we're waiting. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. So that's the first bit. So we have the notes E, E, fish, Deesh, E. So it's similar to the second half of what we've already played. This is what it would sound like on your saxophone. Okay, and the next bit is again very similar to what we've already played in section 1. So Geesh, 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 a fish, geesh, e, fish, deesh, e. Okay? And this is what that would sound like because that's twice through again. So listen to how that would sound. Okay, well done. So let's hear how section 2 sounds played all together, all the way through. Okay, well done. So now let's hear section 1 and 2 played through all together.